Have you ever wondered why some people seem to move through life with such grace, as if they carry a quiet sanctuary inside them? I found the answer not in doing more, but in these 8 ancient Japanese habits. They are simple, yet they have the power to transform your chaos into peace. Today, I want to share these secrets with you. Let's learn how to live softly. First is Kaizen. It means continuous improvement, but in tiny steps. Instead of trying to change your whole life today, just be 1% better. 1 page of a book, 1 minute of meditation. Great things are built with small bricks. Ikigai, your reason for being. It's the intersection of what you love and what the world needs. Find that small spark that makes you want to wake up in the morning. Your purpose doesn't have to be big, it just has to be yours. Hara hachi bu. Eat until you are 80% full. It's a lesson in self-respect. When we stop before we are stuffed, we leave room for energy and clarity. Listen to your body. It knows when it has had enough. Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing. It's not a workout, it's a connection. Spend time among trees. Listen to the wind. Let the forest wash away your stress. Nature is the best medicine for a tired soul. Wabi-sabi. This is my favorite. It's finding beauty in things that are imperfect and temporary. A cracked cup, a faded photograph, even your own flaws. Nothing is perfect, and that is exactly why it's beautiful. Gamen. Resilience. Staying patient and strong during hard times. It's about facing challenges with dignity. When life gets heavy, don't complain. Just keep moving forward, like a quiet river flowing through the rocks. Omoyari. Thinking of others before yourself. A small act of kindness for a stranger, or keeping your space clean for the next person. When we make life easier for others, our own lives become lighter too. And finally, Kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. It teaches us that our scars are not something to hide, they are part of our story. You are not broken, you are being redesigned into something more valuable. Which of these habits did you need to hear today? For me, it was Kintsugi. Choose just one and start today. Remember, productivity is a gift you give yourself, not a burden. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to our soft community. Stay soft, stay strong. I'll see you in the next one.